Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to buy iShares ETFs in Japan. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with these popular exchange-traded funds, you're in the right spot. iShares ETFs, managed by BlackRock, are a fantastic way to invest in stocks, bonds, or even global markets with low costs and ease of trading. But if you're in Japan, there are a few key steps to navigate the local regulations and get started. First things first, you need to open a brokerage account. In Japan, options like Rakuten Securities, SBI Securities, or Monex are great choices because they support foreign ETFs like iShares. Make sure to choose one that allows international trading and has English support if you're more comfortable with that. Once your account is set up, verify your identity. Japan's Financial Instruments and Exchange Act requires KYC, know your customer, processes, so have your ID and residence proof ready. Next, research the iShares ETFs you're interested in. Popular ones include the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF for US stocks or the iShares Japan ETF for local exposure. Check the Tokyo Stock Exchange or BlackRock's website for listings and performance data. Remember, some iShares ETFs might be traded as foreign stocks, so be aware of currency exchange rates and potential fees. Now, fund your account. You can transfer yen from your Japanese bank account or use international wires, but watch out for conversion fees. Once funded, place your order through the brokerage platform. Decide between market or limit orders based on your strategy. After buying, keep an eye on your investments through the app or website, and don't forget about tax implications like Japan's capital gains tax. Investing always involves risks, so consider consulting a financial advisor. That's it for today's guide. Happy investing! If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.